Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Experiencing exit code 1 when trying to play Minecraft Fabric can be super frustrating, right? This code basically tells you the game crashed unexpectedly, but it doesn't always tell you why. Think of it as a red light on your dashboard. It indicates a problem, but not the specific part that's failing. It's a very common issue, so don't worry. We'll walk through some effective steps to get your game running smoothly again. Before diving into anything complex, let's start with the basics. A simple restart of your game, launcher, and even your computer can often resolve temporary glitches. Also, it's crucial to check that your Fabric loader, Minecraft game, and Java versions are all completely up to date and compatible with each other. Sometimes, just having an old version of one component is enough to cause those annoying crashes. If restarts didn't help, the next place to look is almost always your mods. Mod conflicts are the #1 cause of exit code 1 in Fabric installations. The best way to diagnose this is to remove all your mods from the mods folder, then add them back one by one. Or, if you have a lot, try removing half, testing, and then narrowing it down further. This systematic approach will help you pinpoint exactly which mod is causing the issue. Sometimes, the issue isn't a mod conflict, but rather corrupted game files. Check your Minecraft crash logs for any specific error messages. They often provide clues. If you suspect file corruption, you might need to perform a clean reinstallation. This means backing up your worlds, then completely deleting your Minecraft installation folder and starting fresh. While it sounds drastic, it often fixes persistent issues by ensuring all files are brand new and uncorrupted. Finally, let's consider a couple more things. Double-check your Java settings in the Minecraft launcher, especially how much RAM you've allocated to the game. Too little can cause crashes, but so can allocating too much. If you've tried everything and the problem persists, reach out to the wider Minecraft Fabric community. They're often very knowledgeable and can help diagnose unique issues based on your specific crash logs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.